gentlemen, let's have a huge round of applause for the Green Company of the Year, MSC Ship Management, inviting Mr. Prabhat Jha and Captain M.P. Bhasin to please join us on stage to receive this most coveted award. We're also being joined by Neeta Jha, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Congratulations, sir. Please tell us more about this green initiative and your campaign. Sir.
Yeah, Captain Bhasin. Yes.
Thank you. We are very honored to have this award from Cellular today in front of August gathering. Thank you. Mr. Prabhat could not come today. He was supposed to be here. But I would like Mrs.
Yes.
Neeta Jha.
Good evening, Cellular today. Thank you, Captain Nangya, Madam Sangeeta Nangya, our selection award committee. At the same time, I would like to thank you to all the esteemed government officials and our industry colleague present here. Dear ladies and gentlemen, it is a great honor to receive this award for MSC Ship Management for its recognition for the caliber and the high performance of our fleet and enduring focus to seafarers' care and professional development. Despite of tough market condition in our industry, MSC continued to invest in modern green fleet, and it will continue to meet the requirements of successful and growing shipping line. MSC manages and maintains the fleet. It is important that it is with a clear and green efficiency. And at the same time, I would like to say that enduring and we are very focused towards sustainability and environmental friendly way. I convey my thanks to all our seafarers, our masters, chief engineers, crew, and our shore staff, MSC, Ukraine, and Cyprus. At the same time, I would like to thank to our founder, owner, Aponte family, who owns and manages the group of companies MSC and employs over 70,000 people worldwide. I thank you for this prestigious award. Thank you very much.